Hey guys, been up at Clearlake the last 2 weeks. The bite's been really good. We've been able to catch them deep, shallow, rocks, grass. Fish are chasing hitch, fish are chasing shad. We've been throwing a big glide bait and a big crankbait in the morning. Also tossing around an underspin and a jig. And later in the day when that sun gets high, I've been able to get on a killer little frog bite and also chucking a buzzbait around the mats. The water clarity in the south, there's some algae, and up in the north end's got some like dark brown tint to it. Just kind of run around, find that cleaner water, and I'm sure you guys can come up here and catch some fish. I'm guiding full time out here if you guys want to come out with me and see how I break down Clearlake, or just come out and have a good time. Or as well, I know Hummingbird, Lowrance, and Garmin well. If you guys are having some trouble with your graphs, we can come out in your boat. I can help dial you guys in. Appreciate it. I'm going to include my contact info below, and give me a call. Thanks. Nice. Fish? Yep. There you go. That's a cast. Good one. Good one.
You took it on that quick pond, or that I sped it up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice fish.
Nice. Good one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a nice one. Oh, Jesus.
5-pounder.
Look at that.
2 nets broken in 24 hours.
Oh, 9-pounder.
Easy 6.
So 6.
Probably a 7. Look at that. It's a giant one. Caught the freaking fish's lip. Throw it down there.
It's a good one, Brian. There you go.
Keep it down, man. Keep it down.
Yeah, keep the rod low when it comes up.
Trust it.
Don't, man, don't. It's real. You gotta reel, bro. Don't pull too hard. Don't pull too hard.
Yes! Yes!
Big deflector.
Look at that. Came off. Let's go. Yes.
Man, I've never really gone on like that. There's a good one. That's a 6.5.